Guys, I have a plan. Look at this mess. Jeez. What's up, guys? Big Clyde 34 coming at you today, and I just want to let you know that I have a plan. Since my sunroof, as you guys saw in the last video, decided to spontaneously combust in the avalanche, which is slowly failing me. Like, it's getting to be an old truck and doing old truck things. So I did the whole tarp deal over the top, being that guy in the neighborhood.
Does this look like a piece of crap to you? You have them spinning tires, do you?
So today, here's my plan. You've been following the truck. You know that it started last week very briefly, and we should be able to keep it running and check for leaks and all that stuff, but I want to drive it. So here's my dilemma. The dude who is doing the fabricating for me, shout out to Jay's Performance in Newark, Delaware, by the way, for helping me out with that and cramming me in last minute. He's going to Myrtle Beach for Bike Week, and that's going to be on Friday, so he was going to do it when it came back. But I kind of wanted to have it done for cruise weekend. On the same note though, the transmission is going to be done soon, and I don't know if it's going to line up with the cruise week goal. So basically, what I'm going to try and do today, I was going to go with a stock rear anyway. We're going to pick one up. Basically going to toss the stock rear in the truck, and if it drives, we're going to put together some of that fabrication work real quick. Might not be permanent, might be permanent, because nothing that I really need done is all that complicated. So we're going to do that, and then the plan is to try and drive it around cruise weekend with the 4L60E. Obviously not going to beat on it with that trans, because then I won't be driving at home, but we're trying to make it to cruise weekend. The one thing that's wonderful about not having a sunroof is when it randomly starts raining. So I don't know, I guess I'll just get wet. So on our way home, I guess we'll hit a little drive-in, kind of one of these little country deals. Gotta say, guys, it's going to be the best deal that I ever got, honestly. So the rears that I got generally go for like 100, 200 bucks maybe, but this one, I posted a feeler on Facebook. Shout out to Sam, hit me up, said he wanted it, or that he had one, I mean, and I asked him what he wanted for it. He said bring a t-shirt and a hoodie, so I did, and it don't look so pretty, but it should work. Back to the HQ, we got a lot going on here. Step out of my office, and you can see that currently the back porch is getting screened. So my dad and myself are working on this so far. All that we painted was the outside. It's a really, really red. I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit of a more, like, I don't know what you call that, darker red, I guess, maybe. Not so much darker, but a little bit more muted. This is gonna be a meme, isn't it? But now you guys can see what I see because of this Amazon head mount that I thought would be a great idea. I'm getting laughed at.
Anyway, the headgear is great. Gives good close-ups when he gives head jobs.
You mean blowjobs?
Yeah.
It's not called a head job. You ruined it. You ruined the joke.
You're gonna have to move it over this way so I can get unhooked.
Unhooked? Can't you just...
You gotta pull it over this way so I can get out of it.
Because it's flexy. There we go.
Alright.
2, 3. You know what I am? I'm literally blinded by freedom. This is gonna be great.
Alright, we're gonna have to... I'll watch him slide on the sweat grass. Mow back that custom sunroof. All right, cut it right there.
This is how I block out the haters.
Ooh, that's nasty.
Yep.
That's a good rear?
Yeah.
Looks like they took it out of there. The junk. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Nice, it slides on here.
Need you. Yeah.
Not recording. Ooh. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, gear stuff.
This is
chunks.
Literally metal.
Got chunks.
It smells great.
Chunky, chunky, chunky soup.
You guys, you're lucky that the technology is not out so that YouTube is smell-o-vision, because you would unsubscribe from me right now.
Big chunks. Oh yeah, you shredded the gear.
There's one thing that you shouldn't probably do when working on a vehicle is hustle through it and hurry. But because, as you can see, it's dark. It's a lot darker than it looks on the camera, I guess. But because it's dark, I'm trying to get this rear end out and get that rear end in. I actually have everything off of that other rear, all the accessories that need to come off, and I can just kind of pop this other guy in. I would be the dickhead that does that. Look at my white trash ass freezer sitting out front of my house. I would be the dickhead that does that and forgets to record. So that's what happened, but it dropped out nicely. I don't think it took anything with it, so let's take a second look here. Axle's down. This is free. It's kind of just chilling on there. That's alright though. Yeah. It went down a little bit faster than I would have liked, so it kind of scared me a minute, but we should be good if I can get this out of here by myself, which might be a struggle. When I said 100 pounds earlier, it's probably closer to 150, 200. I'm gonna take a break for the night. This isn't where the video is gonna end, but this is where I'm gonna end for the day. One step closer. Alright, so just wrapping this up. We're heading out to get gear oil. We're gonna fill up this rear and see if it works. On the way home, spotted a AutoZone in the wild. Moment of truth part 2. So the plug is in the intake right here, this little guy, to prevent our vacuum leak that we had, which was making it stall out before. I got the rear end, everything's buttoned up back there. We're gonna see if this thing will move under its own power. If it does, it will be dropped off tomorrow for fab work, and it'll be good to go for the time being. I won't be able to beat on it because the stock Transit's in here, but we're just gonna see and cross that bridge when we get to it. It's picking up the ass end of his car. Alright, so we're out here at Jay's Performance. He's back there on the phone talking to hookers and drug dealers. You want to get jacked off? I got you. Here we go. Almost there. Yeah, I'm done. Good. Truck's up on the lift. We're gonna finish up that turbo kit today. The whole boost piping is done, and now he's just gonna cap off the exhaust a little bit. And I'll sit here and
I'm not coming to the shop tomorrow because I leave for.
Just film him awkwardly. You just got to use the blue because the blue is good for what, 30-40 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
Finished product right there.
Finished product. Just gotta add one more pipe of roux on, but. Friday.
Zoomed in super close on his face, and he doesn't even know.
Nah, we'll have to like dump it out.
There's no idea we're filming it.
There's no. Zooming in on my conversation.
I'm zoomed all the way in on your face.
This is gonna be fun part, sneaking this slut up there.
Hey, don't talk about her like that, just because she likes to have fun.
Yeah, we're working on a ladder and we have a lift. Suck it.
So besides the turbo, that's going to be the only decent looking thing under there.
Yep.